Okay, you know how previous time we made the backdrop and sprite, but sprite is hide. Now we need to show sprite. Yeah, we need just to show our sprite. And how we'll do that? Uh, you know how we used to have background and then we have that read command we made, and that command read background. You can do this for something else. If you have something that equals background, like, yeah, and on specific coordinates you add something like, I don't know, something like our sprite, it will be super easy to just draw the thing, just read it in our code, and yeah, we will have a easy thing right there. I'm making something, just second. I just making grade right now system, and it will work, bruh, and it will work. In Scratch, you know, things can slide and things, but here on C++, actually, this is Scratch, but okay. On C++, things are actually on a grid system, like this. And I don't know why it's lagging, but okay, you kind of see. Yeah, I'll show you on C++. Am I enter on C++? I don't know, maybe I'm in YouTube, in contacts, YouTube Studio, okay, C++. Okay, I open C++, and you'll see what I'm talking about. What grid system now? You know when we have a backdrop which is all of these amps and we read it. Now, what if we have a second backdrop? I think I showed how it works with second backdrop. Yeah, and I have vector character there. It is just part of this vector character backdrop. Like it is like one single backdrop. This we set it to backdrop 0. To all backdrop 0 is this m's, and there we have a sprite 1. We have object for sprite 1, separate 1. You see this? I selecting separate 1. This is object, and this is name of class. And you see separate 1 dot x equals 0, like it is center of the screen, like in Scratch. We have separate one epsilon, same as Scratch, in center, and we have separate one costume, is A. Here we actually do some math on epsilon of sprite 1 and on x on sprite 1. We need to draw one costume of sprite 1. Where are all of these m's? On 0, 0, we need to copy this A and paste it somewhere on center because it is 0, 0. And now just read that with all of that m's and costume, which is just A, and basically that's it. It don't read m and like that, but it read m and when it go to center coordinates, it is costume. That costume of separate one. Now when you see, I made just this all of this. I think you're scared of this, but don't be scared of it, because I will this, all of that. Yeah, don't be scared of that. We'll not do that in this episode. Okay, I'm running this and you will see how grid system. Just wait. 300 years later. 2 quadrillion years later. 8 billion years later. Okay, I now have 20 quintillion and 69 years, and this don't run. Please, yes, it run. Okay, you see now. This is like in Scratch how I show grid system, and you see epsilon and x like in Scratch. If x is like that, m is y, videos are coming. Oh, okay. Now actually you see, like in Scratch. Read draw thing. This is just draw thing is just a backdrop, but with costume, with sprite shown. Yeah. We have that, and yeah, you will see now. will try to do something here on C++. Like move a thing to the right or to the left. It is like on Scratch. You need to just wait. Minutes. Just wait. 8 minutes. Just wait. 10 minutes. Just wait. Like 20 minutes. I don't like because it compiles one time in year. Like, yeah. And why I speaking my language? I need to speak English. I spoke one word on my language for some reason. And yeah, you can see 0, 0. But actually, vectors start at these coordinates. If I don't do that math, it will start like this. This is 0. This is x1, x2, x3, x4. And this will be epsilon 1. And this will be x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, and yeah. In C++, it can warp around like this. No, what? I don't know, you can press the letters like this if you hold. I pressing G when I hold the. And that's it for this episode. I think now everyone can do C++, basic things. You need to do this 5 minus before sprite 1, and you need to do minus 3 after. And sprite 1.x you need plus 2 because we need 0 to be center. And I guess I see you in another episode. Bye bye. And yeah, also if you change this costume into an F, this A that moves will be F. And bye bye. Another episode will be like if else or something. Bye bye.